Steak, simple to cook or full of secrets? Today I'm answering the most common steak questions to make sure your next steak is perfect. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today I'm tackling the most frequently asked steak questions, covering everything from cooking methods to seasoning techniques. Let's get started. First up, can you make a good well-done steak? Now it's tough to keep a well-done steak juicy, but it's possible with the right technique. Cook slowly at a lower temperature and finish with a sear to lock in juices. But honestly, medium to medium well is the sweet spot. Next, cast iron or grill. Which is better? Cast iron provides full contact with the steak, creating an even sear. On the other hand, the grill adds a smoky flavor but doesn't create the same crust. Both work, but cast iron is best for controlled searing. Ever heard of the hand test for checking doneness? Some chefs use the softness of their hand as a reference, but the reality is that a meat thermometer is the best way to check doneness accurately. The hand test can help, but a thermometer is foolproof. How long should you rest a steak? Here's the guideline. 5 to 10 minutes for smaller cuts and 15 minutes for large ones. Resting allows juices to redistribute, keeping the steak moist. Always rest your steak before cutting. Is the red juice in steak actually blood? No, it's a mix of water and myoglobin, a protein found in muscle. Blood is removed during processing, so what you see is completely safe. It's not blood, just flavorful juices. And finally, what's the best way to cut a steak? Always slice against the grain for a more tender bite. Cutting with the grain makes the meat chewier. So check the grain direction before slicing. Now you have expert answers to the most common steak questions. What's your favorite way to cook a steak? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to master more steak techniques? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert grilling and searing tips.